Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video we are having a head-to-head comparison between Jotform versus Typeform versus Google Forms and finally versus SurveyMonkey. So you can see I have everything on my screen up and ready. So first of all, we have Jotform, one of my favorite form and service creator. You can also do much more with this, not only forms. You can see we have PDF editor, we have form analytics, app builder, we have a complete mobile application designer in here as well, workflows, report boards, and much more. So you can see the features inside your Jotform already, and editing is really simple. All you need to do first, let's just say you want to add a name field, drag and drop just like this. Let's just say on top we have a name section over here. We can even move it down, move it up. You can do the settings. Let's just say you want to do alignment, you can do everything. And we have our Google Forms, one of the most popular out there. You can see editing in here is also really simple. Let's just say you want to add a text, you can add a text, simply remove this. And once you add, let's just say, an image section or an image, you can do that. Or let's just say you want to add a video or any questions. So this is your custom question. Let's just say, what is your name, buddy? So you can move this around as well. So this is just an example, so you can see you can move it down. So really convenient and handy, and also working really fine. You can make and share it once you have it done. Then we have our SurveyMonkey. So this is also one of the popular sites out there. You can see we have a lot of templates to be working with, so I really like this about this. But if you look over to the templates inside your Jotform, it is literally endless fleet of templates. So if you click on create, you can see if you head over to your form, you will have literally thousands and thousands of templates in here, so you can go with those. And finally we have another Typeform. So this is also really amazing, but I think this is going to be my least favorite because the UI is not that catchy, and also the features are much more limited. So you can see we can simply add our stuff in between. These are questions, we have multiple choices, we can add contact info, so you can select in this section what you would like to add. On the left we have other editing and ending sections. We can change the design from this section, add our gallery. Let's just say this is a theme that we like, you can simply use it and edit in this one as well. But yeah, so not so great, but does the job. So my most favorite is going to be Jotform. You can see templates, literally thousands of those, and I recommend Jotform. You can also head over to the link in the description below to get head over to the link in the description below to get yourself 50% off, and that is going to be a huge offer for you guys. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.